In this class I am going to draw some borders. So taken this rectangular pieces, and now I am going to teach you how you can make borders with sketch pen. If you wish to make it with the watercolor you can, or if you wish to make with the crayons you can, but right now I am just teaching you how to make beautiful corners, very easy corners. So I have made this peacock like this. First I have drawn this semicircle line here, and then this line, and like this you can make. And then you can fill the color. So this is your first peacock corner. You can make it on right hand side also. Going to the second one, I have drawn one rectangle inside the paper. So now I am starting for the second one. See, I have made the semicircle like this. You can make some circle to fill this. Very simple design you can make. So like this. Now I will fill the color in that. Here I have used sketch pen, and then I have used the water. So after finishing it looks like. For the next design I have made this rectangle on the paper, and now I am just filling the outer side. You can fill pattern also in that. So I am just filling this like this. Now some more design. Like this, any pattern you can fill. See, my design is ready. Now I have to color it. In this page I have used so many colors, so I filled it with all the shades of sketch pen which I have. For my next design I have made some circles on it. Now I have to color this. So now I have filled my colors, and now it just looks like that. It's nice now. For my next design I have made these two lines and make two triangles. Now I am going to make some triangles in both the triangles. So I am done to this. Now I have to color this like this. I have used all the shades of blue in that. For the next corner design you can make this type of shapes like this. It's very easy. After that you can fill the outer layers. You can draw any pattern, you can draw some dots, you can draw lines outside the design, or you can simply color it. It's up to you. If you want to draw some design you can draw. I'm just filling it with the dots, simple dot. You can fill it with the square, zigzag lines, curvy lines, spiral, any pattern you can draw. I'm just filling it with the dot only. Just so here my next design is ready. Now I have to color it. To color this, first I did this with green color. Now I am just taking water and just giving the effect, just spreading the color like this. So this is ready. It's give you watercolor effect. Just like the curvy lines, you can make some zigzag lines. So now like this, you can fill it with any pattern. I am just filling this type of pattern, the 4 lines, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then change the direction, 1, 2, 3, 4, like this. I am filling this. Okay, so you can do any pattern. So this design is also ready. Now I have to fill color. So in this I have made some colorful red lines. For my next corner design I am using this type of sketch pen. So you can make like this. I will tell you. So with this sketch pen I have made this type of design and I have filled it with this color only. Okay. Now see, now I am going to make some pattern on this. I am just simply drawing this type of spiral pattern. It's very easy. Okay. So this is ready. Now moving ahead, I am just drawing this simple flowers. See, like this I have made one line with black dots. It's very easy. Like this you can make this wavy type of lines in the corners. Like this. It's very easy. See, it's done. You can draw this type of curvy lines and after that you can make some leaves on that. See, like this you can draw. See, like this. Okay. Or you can draw some flowers also. So I have drawn these two curvy lines up and two curvy lines down. Now I am going to put some flowers on that. Just the simple flower like this. Like this I have drawn. I am just filling it with the light pink shade color. See, it's ready. Now for the next border, first you draw a line with the pencil, then put some dot on the pencil, then on the dot you can make heart like this. Join these hearts with the dots like this. See, it's ready. The very easy and the simple way to make the corner, just the scribbling or making lines at the corner. So you can make like this. I have made this with green color. I have used all the shades of green color, or you can use any color, any single color also you can use, or you can use it with the rainbow colors. So now I am making this border very easy way. First, see, with the poster color. Okay, I am just so I am making this with this bird like this. Okay. Now I am taking the another color and just making the flower like this. Okay, I'm done with the flowers. I'm using this green color for making some leaves. So like this. I'm just drawing. See, You do one thing, just put some yellow in between, so it will look good, or add some yellow tones in the leaves also. Okay, see. Now for the next, it's very easy. 1 2 3 4 5 5 times make E and then turn like this. In the same way you have to draw here also. 1 2 3 4 5 and like this. It's very easy. Then you can make the pattern like this. See again. 1 2 3 4 5 and turn like this. 1 2 3 4 5 and like this. See, and then after that you can decorate this then so here your corner design is ready. Put some dot here. Okay. First draw these lines on the paper. Now this like this, here also, this. Okay. Then draw some leaves like this, both the sides. Here also. Now fill the color. I am just filling it with sketch pen only. Like this. Okay. After that, I am just joining this with dotted lines. So it's ready. So beautiful, na? So now you get the idea how you have to make the corners. So now grab your art material and start making corner. You have to make any 4 corners. Okay? If you have any doubt, anything, just call me. Bye bye.